Transformation for O levels. Key points on enlargement, translation, reflection, and rotation. Question number 7. Question number 7, in which there are successive transformations. First, we operate a clockwise rotation of 90 degree about origin, and the second one is a reflection in the line x is equal to 0, which is known as y-axis. First, when we operate clockwise rotation of 90 degree on the coordinates a, b, they becomes b minus a after rotation. Rotation about origin 90 degree. AB becomes B minus A. Now, the triangle whose coordinates are ABC is mapped on the triangle PQR after successive transformations. It becomes PQR. When we operate a clockwise rotation of 90 degree about origin, triangle ABC, it becomes A dash, B dash, and C dash. After reflection in the line x is equal to 0, the triangle which was the resulting triangle in the previous transformation, it becomes triangle PQR. So the final triangle is PQR. So triangle ABC is mapped to triangle PQR after these two transformations. Now, first we find the triangle A dash, B dash, C dash. Now, we operate the first transformation, which is a clockwise rotation of 90 degree. Rotation, this is key point, rotation of 90 degree about origin. Coordinates AB becomes B minus A. Now, the triangle whose coordinates are ABC, the first one is 2, 2, it becomes 2 minus 2. And this is known as A dash. Now B, the coordinates of B are 5, 2. After rotation, it becomes 2 minus 5, because in this case, the value of A is 5, and the value of B is 2. So B minus A, this is B, and this is minus A. So B minus A is 2 minus 5. Now the C coordinates of C, which are 3, 4. After rotation, this is 4 minus 3, because in this case we have the value of A is 3 and the value of B is 4. So the value of B, this will remain as it is, which is 4, and the value of A, reversing the sign of A, the value of A is 3, so it is, after rotation, it is minus 3. As we know that after rotation, AB becomes B minus A. So these are the coordinates of another triangle, which is A dash, B dash, and C dash. Now first we draw ABC, then A dash, B dash, C dash. First we draw ABC. A, the triangle A is 2, 2, and the triangle B is 5, 2, and the triangle C is 3, 4. Coordinates of triangle ABC is C is the coordinates of the C is 3, 4, coordinates of B is 5, 2, and the coordinates of A is 2, 2. 2, 2. First we locate 2, 2. 2 and 2. Then the coordinates of B is 5, 2. This is 5 and height is 2. The coordinates of C is 3, 4. These are the coordinates of C, 3 and 4. So this is the triangle after joining these 3 points, these 3 vertices, ABC. ABC is a triangle which is the original triangle. After rotation, 2, 2 becomes 2 minus 2, because AB into b minus a after rotation, and 5 2 becomes 2 minus 5 after rotation. 3 4 becomes 4 minus 3 after rotation. These are the coordinates of a dash, b dash, and c dash. Now we look at these coordinates. A dash, 2 minus 2. This is 2 minus 2. Minus 2 is this, 2 minus 2. The b dash is 2 minus 5. 2 and minus 5. This is minus 5. So these are the coordinates of b dash. And the c dash. C dash are 4 minus 3. 4 and this is minus 3. So c minus 3. Now join all these points, all these vertices. We have another triangle which is the image of ABC after rotation. A dash, B dash, C dash is another triangle after rotation. After rotation, 90 degree about origin. Triangle ABC maps to triangle A dash, B dash, and C dash. Now another transformation which is in part B, a reflection after obtaining another triangle. We operate another transformation which is a reflection in the line x is equal to 0. Line x is equal to 0 is a line which is y-axis. Y-axis is another name of y-axis is the line x is equal to 0. This is the line x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 or y-axis. Or y-axis. Y-axis or x is equal to 0. So the reflection in y-axis, when we reflect in the y-axis, we know that this AB becomes reflection in the line x is equal to 0 or y-axis. Both are same. The key point is AB becomes another point minus AB after reflection. After reflection it becomes minus AB. Now we operate this reflection on the resulting triangle which is A dash, B dash, C dash. This is the resulting triangle A dash, B dash, C dash. These are the coordinates. Now the coordinates of A dash are 2 minus 2 and the coordinates of B dash 2 minus 5 and the coordinates of C dash 4 minus 3. Now after reflection, as we know that this is the value of A and this is the value of B. So change the sign of the A, minus 2 and minus 2. This is P, which is the final answer, P. So minus 2 and minus 2, this is minus 2 and minus 2. So the coordinates of P is minus 2, minus 2. Now 2 minus 5 after reflection, this is the value of A and this is the value of B. So A will remain as it is, B will remain as it is, and change the sign of the reversing the sign of the value of A, which is minus 2 and minus 5. Minus 5 is the previous value of B, so minus 5 will remain as it is, just reversing the sign of the value of A. If it is positive, then it becomes minus 2. If it is negative, then it becomes plus 2. So the answer is minus 2, minus 5, which is the coordinates of Q. Q have minus 2 and minus 5. So the last one is C dash. C dash, in which the value of A is 4 and the value of B is minus 3. Reversing the sign of value of A, so it is minus 4 after reflection, and the value of B will remain as it is, minus 3. This is R. Minus 4 and minus 4 and minus 3, so it is R. Now joining all these points, PQR, on your graph paper. This is the last answer, final answer of PQR. PQR is the resulting value, resulting triangle, and the image of triangle ABC after successive transformations. We get another triangle, which is triangle PQR after after rotation and reflection. Now join origin, because rotation is about origin. So join O to A. This is dashes, these are all dashes. Join O and A. Now using protector, suppose this is a protector, this is 90 degree or 90 degree, or now we place it, now this is 90 degree, and 90 degree, after taking 90 degree we have this line, which is whose length is O to A and O to C, both are same. Now just draw their points and joining all these, so we have the triangle PQR, which is the triangle image of the triangle ABC. Now this is the triangle of PQR.